In an earlier video, up and down movement of the eyes was achieved with the help of an eccentric cam. We can achieve similar movement with another mechanism, crank and slider. Bunch of thick corrugated sheets is used as a base. I will place a plain white card sheet on the top of this base. Wheel made from a thick card sheet can be pinned in the center. It's free to move around the pin. Pushpin attached near the edge is our handle. Rotational motion of this wheel can be translated to reciprocating motion with the help of these two strips. We will connect these two strips with a thread and fix other end with cellotape. Strips can now move freely around this point. Now we can attach red strip to the wheel with the help of this push pin. When we rotate the wheel, both strips move randomly. Let us restrict the movement of green strip with the help of pins. Now it can only move up and down. This is also known as reciprocating motion. Just like a cam, there are proper terms for this setup as well. The wheel is called a crank. Green strip is a slider, while the red strip is the connecting rod or strip in our case. Let us introduce another wheel to drive this wheel from a distance. Let us view the movement from another angle. We will attach cat's eyes to the slider and place our character on the top of this mechanism. Up and down movement of the eyes is more than expected. We can adjust the same by changing the position of the push pin on the wheel. Placing the pin closer to the center results in lesser movement of the slider. How about creating two movements with the help of just one crank? We can also move tail along with the eyes. We'll cut the tail from the main body and pivot it with the help of a pin. Let us explore build process for various parts. The round wheel we used is nothing but a pulley, made from thick card sheets. Radius for the small circle is 3 cm, while that for the bigger one 3.5 cm. Let us paste all the circles together and our pulley is ready. It's relatively thick and will not wobble much. Ready-made box, newspapers, as well as bunch of notebooks can also be used as base instead of corrugated sheet. Strips can be tied together with the help of a thread. With a knot at one end, the other end is fixed with a cellotape. Spacer made from the sheet itself takes care of the alignment during motion. You can also bend a pin and tie two strips together. Use cellotape to cover the sharp end of the pin. How about changing the position of the slider like this? Will it reciprocate as usual? Change the location of pushpin on the wheel and we can change the amplitude of the slider. Let us bring the slider all the way to the bottom. We can attach the top part of the egg here. Remaining part can be fixed to the frame like this. Add some scenery around and we are good to go. We can adjust the position of the wheel as well as the slider the way we want to suit the needs of visuals or scene we are trying to build. In this visual, only one wheel is moving. How about moving the wheel with the help of a slider? Give it a try. Try these other visuals or build your own based on crank and slider mechanism. We will explore more visuals based on this mechanism in the next video. Thank you.